For your household, for your automobile, for your boat, your camper, wherever you need to have a squeegee and clean your windows. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside. Very little assembly is needed, so if you ever need to take this apart, all you do is you slide in the tab, lock it into place, and the squeegee here, you can adjust it on angles. That is neat to have a number of angles to adjust it on. 1, 2, and then you can open it up to about 3 feet and you twist it and it locks into place. Let's go clean a window. I don't need this open all the way, but I can take the squeegee and I could clean my window. And that goes off real easy. If I need to smear more, I just do like so, and I clean. I want to reach, I open up, and I do so. I want an angle, I do so. I want to remove the handle and just use it as a small handle. It's a squeegee. Even better. Squeegees could be used just about for anything. So if you want to reach, you put the stick on by simply pressing and a little twist action and off you go. This is a great gift to somebody that's looking to use it for their automobile, their boat, their camper, their house windows, you name it. Enjoy your squeegee.